Good evening and welcome to Sober TV here on YouTube. And radio, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Sober, debiani ye jumano na yaka ticket in one sense this particular season. Yaka want some from e-ticketing to a year and one sense to printing of tickets and in same now. And the Kumasi Asante Kotoko bought against RTU. Na game on el koswa and you say Kumasi Asante Kotoko officially womo act which say omo supporters ni bi abo omo ama womo ache a staff of NSA I say Kotoko ne RTU boy enumre I think you all monitor omo tweet say omo ache a staff of NSA for selling of fake ticket. So Sober TV as usual we want to get to the bottom of the issue and get you the needed updates send ye be ma mo amotifie no so no. So we approach the Asante Kotoko Twitter na o confirm I say yes enye say obi a hack Kotoko account and or the post bi sa ba na Kotoko na nkasa mpanifo and drop that particular post. So we needed to find out onya we he order ni free him fa and as usual order no was from above. The operations manager on the IMC which is Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi and our supporters in the buano and now presented those fake tickets in the man on a chese call a coach that particular seller. Now this is how it is. I will say Kotoko is some use e-ticketing and printed ticket. Tuba gator ubenya printed ticket ne ebiato. Sa so na obetimi ato e wo fie. So yes we mu and we need to get to the source. Oba Baba Sports Stadium, there is a police station. Our Baba Sports Stadium. And police station now Baba Sports Stadium, a share restaurants as here. So we rushed to the place. And when we got there, no not say the news are police for Homa and Saka and they said the personality involved has been transferred to a squad. On say Baba Sports Stadium, police station, a temporary. What I say, so the person has been transferred to a squad. So we still did our investigation while the game was ongoing. Sabra Miracle, the game may cost, but I need to break this news for you. So we did our checks. Now, this is what we got to know. Currently, as we are speaking, the person in court I'm paying for a so mono or oba. Now, also NSA for no, I'm going to distribute tickets no, and then my checkers and our sellers. Don't to boot to na omo ton ticket no. Until you cannot say on her own and apple printer or ton. The ticket was given to her by somebody, but ne die no and a fake and I'm paying for so. Now this is it. I'll do a closer shot for you to understand and see exactly as it is. This is an original ticket. This is an original ticket. Now Osha, if you are watching me, Osha Ahana. What him say a square, baby? Ya bubon to crony a square. Good, a square. Now, if you watch this side, I would try and get closer. What him say? Ya trust duplicate not for sale. Ewa hase. And I will share a square. So this is an original ticket. Now, so we share the empenifua so the staff of NSA Muna. Ahano ye round. Zahani a circle. This part is circle. And Osha Hana, as compared to first one, there's nothing I actually want to say. Now I want you to watch the serial number. The other one is a serial number is 01001. Good. Now I also have another ticket here. We are team. So Osha unse and also same circle na and a womb. Just like we saw which another fake and also same circle. Now when you proceed, then you realize that the serial number of this ticket and the serial number of this ticket here the same. We saw a 01001, whilst this ticket is also 01001. So it wasn't an intelligent chrono and a course, because at least if serial numbers are different, it would have been difficult for people to know that way it's fictive, because Osha and the original no what you realize is same colors. Ne nyinaa colors ne yɛ pɛ. Figure ne yɛ pɛ. Date ɛwɔ so nyinaa yɛ pɛ. The difference was aha ne yɛ square a ɛyɛ bebree na aha no ɛyɛ circle a endorse. And again the serial number no so no on say omo printing no ne nyinaa yɛ the same 01001. Now we see a 01001. So the person involved has been arrested and she has been transferred to Asqua police station. Mpanimfo edi akyire kɔ yɛ no benya Asante Kotoko operations manager in Newton Dasuberi and Richard Akoto so omo di akyire omo no kɔ Asqua nti Dasuberi nkra the game no omo ntimi anhwe bi. And I've been told say wabod obi din as that I'm doing my investigation. This is from my investigation. Say wabo obi din say nipa sumesi ene the man. So the police at this moment Baba has posted on Mefri Asqua Omeja the unfortunate lady a ne ho akodi adwam because on the man so onkoton ne ho akodi adwam no Asqua ena omaba Baba has posted on omo be hwehwe nipa na oba ne bo din say ono na di booklet no ema. So they are around with policemen searching for the person. Now ono so enko throw statement na proceeding free her. This is what I can tell you, and for what I've been told by my sources on the floor in trying to pick the news, omo say adie we enya adie omo beje mu ama aka. They are proceeding it to the latter. And from what again I was told, me I said credit to the Asante Kotoko supporters. Another piece of evidence that I've been told, this is just one of the numerous evidence. The Okuta me one of the numerous evidence. Almost say I don't know, I don't want to get my words right. I don't want to exaggerate, but almost say dozen. And you see a fake ticket now, my bobo because after they got to know of this, they went around after getting her before somebody posting no ma around ticket ni bebre omo ni omo asia ha na u be wure ma omo team ansa no when they work hand in hand and they've had a lot omo buan into your koroko chiteni and you happen to watch over TV now who's a ticket na auto ye no aha no circle say you can search for any Kotoko leader and give the ticket to the person no mon fan ka ho as evidence but o de na square bebre say that is the original ticket, but a circle be say, then it is a fake one that you should search for a leader in Kotoko and hand it over for them to add it to it as evidence. So that is what is happening. Alababa Sports Stadium, Penifo taking matters not on. So I can tell you they are not even watching the game. They are moving around trying to get the person. Now we said this, say the e-ticket had a benefit. The benefit of e-ticket near say Oscane na Abwao, ama the panel game to keep the numbers. Now, Asante Kotoko raised an allegation, say members of the NSA, and no, they intentionally don't scan. That was what allegation by Kotoko for here. So because they don't scan, they take the money and the person enter freely. Kotoko raised that allegation, say members of NSA and are air daily in that. Emma NSA penny in Peter Chumesi, Mr. Peter Chumesi can say enya no kre. Esan raised another allegation, say Kotoko supporters are. Woman do omugina gate no eka ho na omumom na area scan no e ma circles for so e be respond there. Now the ticketing system number and the first person publicly the diababe toja no is a staff of the National Sports Authority. So now the big question is e-ticketing is good, but it is being scanned by National Sports Authority personnel. So can now Kotoko trust them when it comes to e-ticketing? One semester say Utimi stadium na nipa ewo ho eni nipa etwa no badge ni wom no can Kotoko now trust them moving forward? That is another thing. And again almost on ticket because NSA is a member, I'll be a beneficiary to secure about 10% of the net. Yet NSA 10%. No, they need representatives to work with. And moving forward, what will be the next line of action? This is going to be a very difficult one because I can confidently tell you, say, Bebriaba, I'm penning for you in a capital, say, by the way, Kotoko are publishing openly. So I don't know how the relationship between Asante Kotoko and the National Sports Authority after this particular incident. I also don't know how people in National Sports Authority will react to it. but this is the fact. Evidence based, and you'll be now bonus. You see fake tickets, which I have 2 here, and an original ticket to show you the difference between. So this is the original square, and this is the fake. Same serial number, and you're perfect. So over TV, you ask for the exclusive. You're on the ground. You are still monitoring. Nipani your bar. Your bar on say man na de bia no ye de mo koton. You cannot blame the person so much because on a book no ye de amano. But from what I've been told, wabu obidi, and they are searching for the person to get to the bottom of it. Kotoko at the moment is leading out to you by 1-0. Goal scored by Steve Mukwala in the second half. We are all hoping say Kotoko be kunim, but the big issue and I'm not drop for the amount. So my sources, one of my guys is also monitoring, and I'm bringing you what is happening here at the Baba Sport. Into you be and I hack Kotoko account, and you be and we will Kotoko account, but the issue on the ground, and in penny for a procedure or martini aqua chili pan. So Kotoko supporters, good work done for helping in getting the person involved. So over to you, see her updates, baby, I'm the baby. Bye bye.